So this right here, this whole center screen, the big 12-inch right here, is the new Sync 4 display for the F-150. And right now, we'll go through a couple of these really fast for you. Now, we got the audio section here. So on this here, sources, this is how you're gonna change between, your Bluetooth audio, your AM, FM, and your XM radio. Once you find that station that you really like, you can browse, like in the XM, you can go through each section, find the, types of music or comedy or whatever you want to listen to. And then once you find that channel, really easy, simple save process. You just hold it down right here at the bottom on that tile. It says hold to save preset. Once it's done, it should save. And there you go. Pretty easy, and it'll save everything. So it'll save your XM, it'll mix in with your AM and your FM station. So you can save everything you like right up here up front. The next section would be your phone. Now, we don't have a phone in here connected, but once you do, pretty simple process. Go into the Bluetooth on your phone, search for the truck, it should pull up F-150, and then add it to your phone. And then it can save your contacts, you can make all your phone calls, everything on it. Navigation. So pretty simple on this one, pretty self-explanatory, but I love how big this shows up in the screen. And now you can full size the navigation. So it'll run all the way across the screen. Then the features, you can actually search. So you can search for nearest gas stations, food, attractions, parking, hotels. If you want to go shopping, it'll look for the closest things to you in that category, and then take you right to them depending on where you're trying to go. Favorite sections, so recent calls, messaging, towing, zone lighting for the truck. So you can actually pull up like your favorites, and now you can activate them right from the screen here. So it's kind of a nice shortcut section to get to, your favorite settings or things you want the truck to be able to do and turn on. The app section, now this will search for mobile apps from your phone. It'll use things like Waze. So when you have features that are available for the truck, it'll download them after you get your phone all set up, and then you'll be able to go and do them right from here. Settings section, now this is kind of the section where you go to look to like reset your door code, or maybe change the music settings or anything in here, temperature units, languages, everything can be changed right here from this section of the truck. And then the last one, or the last tile in here, so this is your driver assistance settings, your zone lighting, your towing, but then this feature right here on this is brand new. It's the digital owner's manual. So anytime you want to watch a video on how something in your truck works, let's say the seats, the doors, the instrument panel, it'll show you everything you need to do, and it'll actually show you a video on how to work it. So now this is much more user-friendly than just getting the big, long owner's manual that puts you to sleep at night. So I really appreciate everyone taking the time to watch this video and hanging out with me today. If you liked what you saw here, please like and subscribe to the page, and thanks everyone.